The Reliance Sentinel automatic meter can transfer switch is manufactured by Reliance Controls, which is now a subsidiary of Generac Power Systems. The Sentinel is designed to be installed in the meter can of a residential or light commercial electric service entrance. One of the features of the Sentinel is that it installs directly in the meter can, providing a compact and aesthetically pleasing solution. It also offers automatic operation, seamlessly transferring the power source between the utility and a generator during a power outage. The Sentinel is available in 30 amps or 60 amps amperage ratings to accommodate various electrical loads. It includes an emergency manual override button for convenient operation during maintenance or testing. The Sentinel is listed to UL 1008 standards for safety and reliability. Installation and operation typically involves the local utility company installing the Sentinel within their meter can. Once installed, the switch operates automatically when a power outage occurs. When utility power is restored, the switch automatically transfers back to the utility source. The Sentinel is available in select states. It is typically installed and maintained by the local utility company. The Sentinel is not a standard product offered by all utility companies. Installation costs and availability may vary depending on the utility company and location. It is recommended to contact your local utility company for specific information and eligibility requirements. Reliance Controls is now known as Generac Power Systems. A transfer switch allows you to safely connect a generator to your home's electrical system during a power outage. It prevents backfeeding, which is when electricity from your generator flows back into the utility grid, potentially endangering utility workers and damaging equipment. There are several types of transfer switches, including manual and automatic transfer switches. A manual transfer switch requires you to manually switch between the utility power and generator power. An automatic transfer switch automatically switches between the two power sources when it detects a power outage. The Reliance Sentinel is an automatic transfer switch. The advantages of using a transfer switch are firstly, safety. It prevents backfeeding and protects utility workers and your home's electrical system. Secondly, convenience. It allows you to easily connect a generator to your home's electrical system without having to run extension cords. Thirdly, code compliance. Transfer switches are required by electrical codes in many areas. When choosing a transfer switch, consider the following factors. Firstly, the size of your generator. Choose a transfer switch that is rated for the amperage of your generator. Secondly, the type of transfer switch. Choose a manual or automatic transfer switch based on your needs and preferences. Thirdly, the installation. Transfer switches should be installed by a qualified electrician. The Reliance Sentinel is a good option for homeowners who want an automatic transfer switch that is easy to install and use. It is important to note that the Sentinel is not a standard product offered by all utility companies, and installation costs and availability may vary. Contact your local utility company for specific information and eligibility requirements. Generators are a valuable asset, providing backup power during outages. Understanding how to safely connect a generator to your home's electrical system is crucial. This is where transfer switches come in, offering a safe and convenient way to manage power sources. A transfer switch is an electrical panel that allows you to switch between utility power and generator power. It prevents backfeeding, a dangerous situation where electricity from your generator flows back into the utility grid. Backfeeding can endanger utility workers and damage equipment. There are two main types of transfer switches: manual and automatic. Manual transfer switches require you to manually switch between utility and generator power. You need to physically flip a switch when the power goes out and when it comes back on. Automatic transfer switches, like the Reliance Sentinel, automatically detect power outages and switch to generator power without any manual intervention. The benefits of using a transfer switch are significant. Firstly, safety. Transfer switches prevent backfeeding, protecting utility workers in your home's electrical system. Secondly, convenience. They simplify connecting a generator, eliminating the need for extension cords and ensuring a safe connection. Thirdly, code compliance. Many areas require transfer switches for generator connections to meet electrical codes. When selecting a transfer switch, consider these factors. Firstly, generator size. The transfer switch must be rated for the amperage of your generator. Secondly, manual versus automatic. Choose the type that best suits your needs and budget. Automatic switches offer hands-free operation, but are generally more expensive. Thirdly, professional installation. Always have a qualified electrician install a transfer switch to ensure safety and compliance. The Reliance Sentinel is an automatic meter can transfer switch, offering a compact and aesthetically pleasing solution. It is designed for residential and light commercial applications, seamlessly switching between utility and generator power during outages. The Sentinel is available in 30 amps and 60 amps ratings. It also features a manual override for maintenance and testing. Remember that the Sentinel is not universally available and is typically installed by the local utility company. Contact your utility for details on availability, costs, and eligibility. The Sentinel automatic meter can transfer switch offers a convenient and safe way to manage generator power. By understanding transfer switches and their benefits, you can ensure a reliable backup power solution for your home or business. The key benefits of a transfer switch are safety, convenience, and code compliance. Remember to choose the right size and type of switch for your needs and always have it professionally installed. The Reliance Sentinel is a specific type of automatic transfer switch that installs in the meter can. It is designed to be a compact and aesthetically pleasing solution for residential and light commercial applications. To determine if the Reliance Sentinel is the right choice for you, contact your local utility company for information on availability, costs, and eligibility. They can assess your needs and determine if the Sentinel is a suitable option for your generator and electrical system. In summary, transfer switches are essential for safely and conveniently connecting a generator to your home's electrical system. The Reliance Sentinel is a specific type of automatic transfer switch that offers a compact and aesthetically pleasing solution. Contact your local utility company to learn more about its availability and suitability for your needs. Understanding the intricacies of electrical systems and safety measures is paramount for homeowners and businesses alike. When it comes to backup power, generators provide a reliable source of electricity during outages. However, connecting a generator to your electrical system requires careful planning and adherence to safety regulations. This is where transfer switches come into play, offering a safe and efficient way to manage power sources. A transfer switch is an electrical device that allows you to switch between utility power and generator power. It acts as a gatekeeper, preventing electricity from flowing back into the utility grid during a power outage. This phenomenon, known as backfeeding, can be extremely dangerous, posing a threat to utility workers and potentially damaging electrical equipment. There are primarily two types of transfer switches: manual and automatic. Manual transfer switches require you to manually switch between utility and generator power by flipping a switch. This type of switch is typically less expensive but requires manual intervention during power outages. Automatic transfer switches, on the other hand, automatically detect power outages and seamlessly switch to generator power without any manual operation. This type of switch offers greater convenience and peace of mind, especially during extended power outages. The Reliance Sentinel automatic meter can transfer switch is a specific type of automatic transfer switch designed for residential and light commercial applications. It is installed in a meter can, providing a compact and aesthetically pleasing solution. The Sentinel automatically switches between utility and generator power during outages, ensuring a continuous supply of electricity to your home or business. The benefits of using a transfer switch are numerous. Firstly, safety. Transfer switches prevent backfeeding, protecting utility workers and your electrical system from potential damage. Secondly, convenience. They simplify the process of connecting a generator, eliminating the need for extension cords and ensuring a safer and reliable connection. Thirdly, code compliance. Many jurisdictions require transfer switches for generator connections to meet electrical codes and safety standards. When choosing a transfer switch, consider several factors. Firstly, generator size. The transfer switch must be rated for the amperage of your generator to ensure proper operation. Secondly, manual versus automatic. Determine whether you prefer the manual operation of a manual transfer switch or the automatic convenience of an automatic transfer switch. Thirdly, professional installation. It is crucial to have a qualified electrician install the transfer switch to ensure safety and compliance with electrical codes. The Reliance Sentinel automatic meter can transfer switch offers a convenient and safe way to manage generator power. However, it is important to note that its availability may vary depending on your location and utility company. Contact your local utility company for information on the availability, costs, and installation requirements of the Sentinel in your area. In conclusion, transfer switches are essential components for safely and efficiently connecting a generator to your electrical system. They prevent backfeeding, ensure a reliable power supply during outages, and comply with electrical codes. The Reliance Sentinel automatic meter can transfer switch offers a compact and convenient solution for residential and light commercial applications. Remember to consult with your local utility company and a qualified electrician to determine the best transfer switch option for your specific needs. The electrical safety is paramount, and transfer switches play a vital role in ensuring the safe and reliable operation of backup power systems. The Reliance Sentinel automatic meter can transfer switch represents a specific solution for integrating generator power into home or business's electrical system. Its unique design, intended for installation within the meter, can offer advantages in terms of space saving and aesthetics. However, the broader principles of transfer switch operation, safety, and code compliance remain universally applicable. When evaluating any transfer switch, including the Reliance Sentinel, it is crucial to consider the following. Firstly, the amperage rating. Ensure that the transfer switch is appropriately rated for the generator it will be used with. Overloading a transfer switch can lead to overheating, damage, and potential fire hazards. Secondly, the type of transfer switch. Determine whether a manual or automatic transfer switch is best suited to your needs and preferences. Automatic transfer switches offer greater convenience but typically come at a higher cost. Thirdly, professional installation. Always engage a qualified electrician to install a transfer switch. Improper installation can create serious safety risks, including electrical shock and fire. Fourthly, local codes and regulations. Be sure to comply with all applicable electrical codes and regulations in your area. These codes are designed to ensure the safety and reliability of electrical installations. Fifthly, utility company requirements. Contact your local utility company to inquire about any specific requirements or restrictions related to generator connections and transfer switches. Some utility companies may have specific guidelines or approval processes that must be followed. The Reliance Sentinel automatic meter can transfer switch, while offering a specific solution, embodies the fundamental principles of safe and reliable generator integration. By understanding these principles and considering the factors outlined above, you can make informed decisions about your backup power system and ensure the safety of your home or business. Remember, electrical safety is a shared responsibility, and it is essential to prioritize safety in all aspects of electrical work. Whether you choose the Reliance Sentinel or another transfer switch option, always consult with qualified professionals and adhere to all applicable codes and regulations. The goal is to create a backup power system that is not only reliable but also safe for you, your family, and the community. Prioritizing safety in all electrical installations is not merely a suggestion but a fundamental requirement. Ignoring safety protocols can lead to severe consequences, including electrical shocks, fires, and even fatalities. When dealing with electricity, it is crucial to approach every task with respect and caution. The Reliance Sentinel automatic meter can transfer switch, like any electrical device, must be installed and operated in accordance with manufacturer's instructions and applicable safety standards. Never attempt to install or repair electrical equipment unless you are a qualified and licensed electrician. Electricity is unforgiving, and even a small mistake can have devastating results. If you are unsure about any aspect of electrical work, always seek professional help. It is better to be safe than sorry when it comes to electricity. The Reliance Sentinel automatic meter can transfer switch offers a convenient and efficient way to manage generator power, but it is not a substitute for proper electrical safety practices. Always follow these safety guidelines when working with electricity. Firstly, disconnect power. Before working on any electrical circuit, always disconnect the power supply at the breaker or fuse box. Secondly, use insulated tools. Use tools with insulated handles to protect yourself from electrical shock. Thirdly, wear safety gear. Wear safety glasses and gloves when working with electricity. Fourthly, test circuits. Use a multimeter to test circuits for voltage before working on them. Fifthly, never work alone. Always have someone nearby in case of an emergency. Sixthly, know your limits. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, don't do it. Call a qualified electrician. By following these safety guidelines, you can minimize the risk of electrical accidents and ensure a safe working environment. The Reliance Sentinel automatic meter can transfer switch is a valuable tool for managing generator power, but it is only one part of a comprehensive electrical safety plan. Always prioritize safety in all aspects of electrical work and never take shortcuts that could compromise your well-being.